Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a reading of your situation 5 years from now, where you're gonna be 5 years from now. You have all the piles over here from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Choose wisely, use your intuition. Now let me start with the pile number 1, where you're gonna be 5 years from now. Wow, I can see you with a justice card. You're going to be somewhere in the law court, in a law field. You are going to end up being a lawyer or being in a judicial service where you're going to serve people and you're going to establish the truth in the society. Okay, and you're gonna love that, absolutely love that. You can be in a position of higher authority also. That is also seeing government, jobs, politics, and stuff like that. Law is seen over here. Okay, so let us come to the pile number 2. What is where you're gonna land up yourself? Okay, so I sense that you are gonna be far away from your home in the next 5 years, and you are going to not enjoy being away from your home because your heart and mind and head is left behind in your home. You are going to move from a colder place, a densely populated place, um, to a very lonely place, I would say, which has scarce population, but your feelings are left behind. Pile number 2. Okay, let us see pile number 3. 5 years from now. Okay, so you're going to be that boss lady, businesswoman, entrepreneur. You are going to be a very wise woman because of the fact that you study a lot, read a lot, and invest in yourself a lot. You are going to be a nature lover. You are going to be an environmentalist. You are going to have a dog shop or stuff like that, animal lover and nature lover and environmentalist. Or you are going to be a place where animals love you, or maybe you have gonna have a very lucrative business, right? You're gonna uh, achieve whatever you set your intention to. So set your intentions right, because that I'm sensing is going to be turning into reality in the coming next 5 years. Think positively, because whatever you think, whether it's good or it's bad, it's going to turn into your supreme reality. Pile number 3. Now the pile number 4, where you're going to be in the 5 years from now. Well, you definitely gonna end out of your relationship. Divorce is coming in the next five years from now. If not, you are not going to, you know, a heartbreak is there. If you are in a relationship, your heart is going to break. Otherwise also someone will break your heart in the coming next 5 years. I don't know why, but this is the card here, and I don't like to sugarcoat things. I speak what I see, right? 3 of Swords. So I will be telling you not to indulge in just casual relationship and giving your heart away all the way to your family. Toxic people, stay away from toxic people because they are going to pierce you hard. Keep only few friends if you can, because people are not gonna be nicer to you anyways. This is a third party situation also. People are going to party with you at once, and then the other day they are going to fight with you, metaphorically speaking. Now I have this my favorite pile, the red moon. Let us see where you're gonna be in the 5 years from now. Well, you're gonna be at far away place. If you are stuck in a toxic family situation or a toxic family environment, you are going to be in a very good and happy position, because I can see you are not going to stay at the same place where you are today. You're gonna move to a new place which you're gonna enjoy, and probably you take your child and wife there. You're going to marry at a different place, and I'm also sensing that you are going to migrate with your family to a newer place which has sea on all the sides. So this is a very good thing for you, because your pain is going to end. Pile number 5. So this was my reading. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and comment down and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.